So, if a person in sattva gun or even non-sattva gun takes to the process of bhakti, and bhakti means one worships the Supreme Lord, the rule is, even in the material world, that, and of course one takes up worship according to gunas generally. So one worships devatas and sattva gun and rakshasas and rajagun and ghosts and things, pretas and buddhas and tamagun. And according to the worship, a worshipable object, one also assumes similar qualities. One becomes like that. So if you worship devata, then you get all sattva qualities. If you worship rakshasa, you get rakshasa qualities. And if you worship buddha, you get buddha qualities. Like this, according to the objects you worship. So if you worship Krishna, then you develop Krishna qualities. Whatever qualities are in Krishna. It means transcendental qualities, not material qualities. So that means that the soul develops these qualities. Now, in the material world, of course, we're worshipping according to gunas, so by association with gunas, we develop gunas. Associate with sattva, we get sattva qualities, associate with rajagun, we get rajagun qualities. This is all material. And we associate with Krishna with his spiritual qualities, then we get spiritual qualities. Atman gets spiritual qualities. Otherwise, it's not part of Atman. It's only a fluctuation of gunas in the mind and the senses in the body. By material worship, material forms. But when we worship the Lord who is beyond the gunas, and the Lord has wonderful transcendental qualities, then the Atma will also develop transcendental qualities to some degree. And therefore, in the Nectar of Devotion, there Rupa Goswami enumerates the qualities, and he says these first 50 are completely manifest in Krishna, and they are represented in the jiva, some jivas, small, little bits. So they can never develop fully the same qualities as Krishna, but to some drop, Bhanu Maharaj, one drop of these qualities they can get by the mercy of the Lord. So the jivas, when they develop the devotion fully, then they can manifest qualities like the Lord's in small quantity, a little bit, not in full. But the Lord develops all these things fully. So these become qualities of soul for the jiva, and they are eternally qualities of the Supreme Lord Krishna. So of course we can say, well, if the qualities are not there before, how do they get there? The jiva is eternal. So we can say they're not manifest in the jiva. But by association with the Lord and by development of the word of service, it all develops. All this develops quickly as part of the jiva. So once the qualities are fixed, of course, then they can stay there in the jiva. Just as his relationship with the Lord also becomes fixed and stays with the jiva. So in this way, we should understand that the qualities, all wonderful qualities, belong to the Lord originally, secondarily to the jiva, and then the reflection of these qualities takes place within Prakriti itself in terms of gunas and sattva and spiritual world. So when the Lord is present, then all of his wonderful transcendental qualities are visible, and he can inspire the devotees with these qualities. And when he goes, these qualities, of course, he takes his qualities with him because he is the Lord and his qualities are non-different from him. So he goes with those qualities. So this is a subject agreed for the devotee. Separation from the Lord means separation from the Lord and his qualities, because the Lord goes with his qualities. However, of course, the consolation for the devotee is that by his devotion, then he can still contact the Lord and his wonderful qualities, even though the Lord is not personally present at that time after his experience. So you can do that. And of course, another means of doing it is by chanting the holy name. The name is also non-different from the Lord. And as one develops, then one will realize